Lady Kids brought to you by Miss Ann Camila. Good afternoon, televiewers. This is Vincent Tagilagan for the live broadcast here in Nadikadikan Street, Bolinao City. A 14-year-old lady have found sharply dead in Spratlys Riverside. She was identified as Mengay Shabu Shabu. She was surrounded by her own blood and surprisingly together with lots pinch of pepper and cloves of garlic with sour fragrance like vinegar, which led her to be Paksiw Lady. Here with us is a star witness Claring, friend of the victim. Let's hear her statement.
Naliligo po kami nun sa ilog. Nagmarinig po namin na parang may nagwawala. Nagmadali po kaming tumakbo. At si Mengay naman po ay nagpaiwas upang tiyakin kung ito nga po yung tatay niya. Nang nakapagtago na po ako, nakita po ng dalawa kong mata na tinaga sa kanang balikat si Mengay. Pagkatapos po nun, nagmadali akong tumakbo at di ko na po alam yung mga kasunod na nangyari. Thank you.
Sorry to hear that, Claring. And beside me is the superintendent of the SOCA team, Mr. Cabado Tigasin. Sir, how was the investigation on Paksiw Lady case?
Thank you. Maganda nga po sa inyo lahat. According to investigation, nagkaroon ng hallucination si Mang Boro Shabu Shabu na ang anak niya isang malaking isda, kaya niya ito napatay dahil sa impluensya ng droga. Sa ngayon, pinaghahanap pa rin ng kapulisan ang ama ng biktima upang magkaroon ng hustisya ang pagkamatay ni Mengay Shabu Shabu. Sa ngayon, yun pa lang po ang aming nakalap na mystery.
To watch the full coverage on Paksiw Lady case, watch the newest noon, 2 o'clock in the afternoon right after it kana. For more information, log on to www.newestnoon.com.tv. The mother of the victim is in abroad at present. He requests an order on the Supreme Court to justify on what happened to her daughter Mengay Shabu Shabu. This is Grayson B. Pagilagan, your newest correspondent. Over and out.